Hello YouTube, welcome to pyttsx3. In today's video, we are going to see about one of the problem that I faced while moving from Windows to Linux. The problem is that with the Python module which convert speech text to speech, which is pyttsx3. So what the problem I faced is that I didn't get any of the output. So the program has run successfully, so I didn't get any of the output. After years of Googling, so what I found is that I found there is a package for Linux, which is called aspeak. What this package do is that generally it converts the text to speech in terminal. So it will be run like this. We have to go to terminal and we have to type the command aspeak and the word or the sentence or the alphabet. So we have to convert it into speech. So here I'm giving hi. So it tells hi as the output for me. Uh, Maybe some other things like same. Speak hello. So BPS. And so it LPPS asked me. So what I did is that I made a program using this speak command. Generally, there is a model in Python called voice. So what voice is going to do is that it's going to run the command in a terminal with the help of aspeak. I'm synthesizing a speech with the help of it. So I'm running this program. So I need to enter the number of characters I need to run. So I'm giving the 5 here.
5, 8, 0, 8.
Okay, done. Hope this helpful to be helpful to you. If you are facing the same problem, uh, this will work fine. Whatever the packages you are using in Linux, app, Pacman, or some other things, whatever the Linux-based distro you are using, this will help you a lot. Thank you all. If you need anything more, just comment below.